from Department of BCA from Kailas Women's College, Nagavalli. We will discuss about the topic data mining classification. What is data mining? It means it is extract data from database. Then what is classification? It is a separate data points into different level of categories. That can be, it is categorized into sensitivity level, that can be high level, low level and then medium level. Then next one, decision tree. Decision tree, it is a various branching of subtrees. That is decision tree, it is a branching, it is called parent node, and then subtrees, it is called leaf node. Then next one, overfitting and then pruning. When the model cannot be generalized, then it can be used overfitting method. Then next one, pruning. It means that changing the models but deleting the child node of the branch node. It is called pruning method. Then next one, DT rules. It means decision tree rules. It can be worked in the recursively method. Recursively, it means function call itself. It can be classified into 4 categories. First one, classified into grouping of data. First one, grouping of data we can be classified. Then we can use in rule 1 method. We can be using an algorithm. Then next one, we can grouping of data to be classified. We can use the rule 2 method. We can using positive class, also a negative class. Then next, we can using Naive Bayes method. Naive Bayes method is one of the machine learning method. It is one of the popular algorithm. We can use Naive Bayes method. We can classify it into data. It is a text based classification. It is a for example, sentimental analysis and then classifying new articles and then spam filtration. Then next one, we can use flowchart. First step we can start, and then for each attribute A we can traverse into a list of attributes, and then next one we can put value in A and then update class for A. If then is all values in we have A, that can be yes. Is there any attribute? It can be processed into next attribute. We can also here travels attribute in the list. Then also here we can process the step 1 by 1. Then next, estimation of predictive accuracy. Accuracy means we can put accurate values to be classified into in the classification method. How well a given predictor can guess the values of predicted attribute of a new values. That can be classification of accuracy of data, that can be referred in the classification method. Then next one, example, talent training data. It is a talent training data. For example, student name and then result. We have discussed about the talent training data, and then we have next to the classification algorithm. We have using a priori algorithm, Naive Bayes method. We have using the classification algorithm. Then classification rules. We can apply the if then conditions or more than one rules we have applied. We can find the data test values and then we get new value. Then last we get prediction result. Then next one, how does classification work? First one, applying classification for classifier and then developing the classifier, and then last process is the data classification process. These are the works for data classification. Next one, evaluation criteria for classification method. We have various metrics are there. First one, precision, then next one, recall, and then specificity, and then fallout and mistake. Precision, we have only positive predicted values, and then recall, it is called a sensitive value, and then specificity, it is a true or negative rate values we have. fallout, it is only false positive rate we have, miss rate, and then false negative rate we have. Then next one, structure. We got 4 categories are there in the structure, decision tree structure. First one, negative and then positive, true negative and then 2 positive values, and then false positive and then false negative values we have discussed in the structure predictor classes. Then next one, classification software. We have classification software are using in a first step analyzing data, and then next one identifying patterns, and then next it is a converting a unstructured data into a structured data. For example, data categories in a rows and columns. Then next one, extractive data, unstructured data from the database we have collecting in the classification software. Then next one, features of data mining software. We have various features of user friendly data mining software. First one, easy to use, and then second one, scalable processing, and then pre-processing, and then high performance, and then we are using association rule mining, and then clustering, and then classification, regression, and then data summarization. We have all of the features of data mining software. Then next one, data mining. We have using various applications in data mining software. First one, mine database statistics, and then adopted applications and utilized techniques, and then information science, visualization, and then machine learning and types of mind knowledge. We have more than about data mining classification. Thank you.